All right, guys, this is my wife, Lori.
Hello.
She just figured out a neat trick with her Alexa, and I want to show you what's going to happen here. She's stuck in bed with a cast, and she's going to send messages to the kids, and she doesn't even know what all it's doing, but it's hitting our devices. So you send it. I'm going to run through the house now. All right, here we go, guys. Check this out. Okay, so there's the Echo Show, and then watch this. They're watching TV down here.
From Lori, feed me.
Oh, my God,
You guys need to get ready and feed your mommy.
I'm bored.
Oh my goodness, she says she's bored. Wait.
From Lori, I want snuggles.
Again. She keeps doing this one.
Do you not like that she can be stuck in bed and take over your TV?
Yes. Get it all. She's
From
not
Lori.
doing the best parts.
I need another pillow.
Oh.
What do you guys think?
Tell her
The
to
dog
tell,
likes it.
Tell her to tell the truth because she has 2 bags of food over there. She
From
has
Lori.
enough.
Sing me a song.
Okay, I'll go sing her a song.